we're gonna see if these semi-trucks can stop it. These semi-trucks are massive. They're so big that I echo if I talk in that direction. Raise your hand if you think the train will win.
We also made crash test dummies of the boys to see what would happen to them.
Hey, Chandler's is secure.
Do you think you'll survive?
I don't know, Jim.
Send the train. Give me the train, it's coming.
It's coming!
There it is. Wait, hey, if I stop it, shit in half.
The train tore through the semi-trucks and could drag these for a couple more miles if we wanted to.
Train one. Everyone agree.